Hello, welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting review for you today. We're going to be looking at the 6 new shades in the China Glaze Holiday 2023 collection inspired by Willy Wonka. So this is a collaboration coming in time with the new Willy Wonka film that's coming out starring Timothée Chalamet. And so we have 6 beautiful new magical shades, and I'm really excited for these. These feel very holiday to me, festive, bright colors, and I can't wait to see how these swatch. So what you're going to be looking at is my live first impression interaction with these shades. I don't try to make them look a certain way. I just show you how they go on directly out of the bottle so you can see how they work for me, and hopefully you'll get an idea of approximately how they'll work for you. I'm also going to give you a full hand swatch of all of these polishes on my nails so you can see how they look as a full manicure. I did purchase this collection at polishpick.com. I will link that in the description bar below in case you want to go shop where I did for a great price. And let's go ahead and take a look at these polishes.
We're going to start this collection with For the Dreamers. Overall, I really like this collection quite a bit. In fact, it might be my favorite holiday collection that I have reviewed so far. However, this first polish is my least favorite, and it's just because the formulation in combination with how much glitter and the size or type of glitter that they put in here is very textured. I needed 2 coats of top coat, and then even then it would dry and then get pretty textured. So you might want to get out your glitter smoothing top coat. I didn't want to go to any extra measures. I like to kind of show you guys how these look when they come out and not treat any polish special so that you will know how it worked for me. Next up, we have Noodle, and I had to look up why this polish would be called Noodle. It is one of my favorites out of the collection. It's what's on my thumb in the swatching. It's a beautiful teal with some really beautiful shimmer. So I guess that there is a young girl in the cast or in this film, and her name is Noodle. I looked that up on IMDb, but I don't really know anything about this movie except that it stars Timothée Chalamet and Hugh Grant. So this one is, as you can see, basically a 1 coater. I'm doing 2 because I always do 2 coats to give you guys consistency across the board with my swatching, and I love this shade for holiday. So here you see 2 coats of Noodle, so perfect. Next, we're going to look at the Purple Pure Imagination. I absolutely adore this polish. It has a great level of pigmentation. This polish reminds me of the My Little Pony collection, but it has more pigment in the base so that you're going to be able to wear this and 2 coats you'll get full coverage. The shimmer is really beautiful, going between like a gold to a pink. The color of purple is just perfection. I love it. So go for those 2 coats with this one. In fact, I would say across the board, just go for 2 coats. The teal, you could probably get away with 1. But when we get to the creams, you're going to see that they're a little bit on the runny side, so you really want to be careful not to overload your brush. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Oh, I love it. Next, we have Secret Recipe, and this is one of 2 creams. So I love how China Glaze gave us these really gorgeous jewel tone shades, and then we have these 2 beautiful candy colored creams in the collection as well. So this is the milk chocolate cream shade, which if they had not put a milk chocolate in this collection, I would have just been thinking, what is going on here? So as you can see, it is a little runny. It tries to run to the side of my nail, but just go for 2 thin coats and you'll be glad that you did. So here is how the second coat of Secret Recipe is looking. So even though I basically never think to myself, oh, today I'm going to wear brown polish, this one is perfect for the collection, so I'm glad it's in here. Next, we have Totally Taffy. This is the other cream in the collection. We just have this really perfect candy pink, and it is going to look kind of streaky on the first coat, but just be patient with it. Do not overload your brush, and you're going to get a beautiful 2 coat coverage. It is on the runny side, just a heads up on that, but when you know that, before you go to polish your nails, you'll have a lot less mess on your hands. So there's the first coat, and then I'll go in for the easy second coat. This is just a really beautiful, soft pink that has the perfect amount of blue in there. It's so pretty. So really enjoy this shade, and again, I'm really glad that they gave us lots of twinkly, sparkly things and these 2 beautiful cream shades. So next we're going to be looking at the final polish in the collection called Wonka. This is this absolutely stunning bright white gold. Again, perfect selection for their holiday collection. It goes on really nicely in 2 coats. Now, if you've watched my other holiday 2023 video reviews, you'll know that Morgan Taylor is at the top currently, but I think that China Glaze just edged them out with this collection because there is enough bling in here and enough sparkly things that are really making me excited for holiday. So I think this one is at the top right now, guys. So I will link in the description bar below where you can go to purchase them, of course, if you want to snag them where I did. And these might be limited edition, so I recommend you do that probably sooner than later. There is 2 coats of Wonka. I absolutely love it.
All right, so that was the whole Willy Wonka inspired collection from China Glaze for their holiday 2023 celebration. Let me know what you thought of these polishes. Now you have my thoughts. I want to hear yours down in the comments section below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you found it helpful. I really appreciate you stopping by for this video today, hanging out with me a little bit, and hopefully you had a little fun as well. I'll see you back for another video very soon. Bye.